Hey guys, welcome to Dealmirror, and today we got a great option for you guys, which is Treefort. It's in a lifetime deal right now, and it starts off at $99, and it's a roadmap and collaboration with your customers. So you probably heard like Trello. Many people have created roadmaps, or you've been there before, but this is much easier. Plus, you have the ability to grab the lifetime deal right now. So it's Treefort, and this is the link. So the link is also going to be in the description, so you can head on over there. And it's at Dealmirror. So let's head down here so we can see it really quick what type of plans are available. Well, like I said, the plan starts off at $99 and you get access to 5 rooms. Remember, this is a lifetime. Team members 1, brand logo yes, unlimited embeds, unlimited track users, live chat support, lifetime updates free, and 24/7 technical support. Now, if one code is not enough for you, you can stack 2. And you get access to 10 rooms. Plus, you also get the no Treefort backlinks. So that's what's different. And you can just stack more if you need more rooms in case and more users. So enough talk about that. Let's head on over to Treefort. And this is the main site for Treefort. Remember, you first have to sign up. If you want to check the sign up video, it's also going to be in the description. So what we're going to do right now is create a brand new room. So let's click on this little plus button. Remember, we have 5. Sorry, this is topic. Let's add a brand new room over here. So room title, we are going to say Dealmirror, and give your room a description. So we can say in this case, it's a roadmap, right? So let's say roadmap. In this case, you can add your examples of things that you can do, or just give some description of policies. That, hey, don't be rude or something like that. Whatever you can do right there. And also you got the option to make it public or private. So right now it's set to private. That means maybe only your team members will have access to this, or just certain people. But if you want to make this a public room, just click on this, create a room. And once you've created the room, there it is. This is where you start off. So the first thing we're going to do is work on the design. So let's click on design. Let's add our logo right here. So let's add Dealmirror logo. And you can also choose your accent colors. So in this case, Dealmirror is orange. So let's select orange. Update custom branding. That's updated. And this is where we can add topics. So right here in topics, it's just going to depend what your room is going to be about. Maybe it's not like roadmap. It's not a collaboration. Maybe you found another use. But let's just say it's a roadmap, right? So let's just say, hey, we add multiple users. So let's add that one. We can say also white label. Okay, let's separate that. Add that. And you can add more if you want. This little check mark means it's done. So be careful. So you can see right there, it says complete. Don't click on that unless it's really complete. And we got options right here. So let's click on option, and we got option to remove it. We have this other option, which is change status. In this case, we can change the status. So in this case, since it's a roadmap, we can change it to planned, up next, in progress, on hold, or backlogged. So what would this help you for? Remember, in Treefort, users can vote. So you can upvote it or downvote it, kind of similar to Reddit. Yeah, that's kind of similar to that. So you can upvote and downvote. So maybe you got a whole bunch of upvotes for multiple users. So let's say, hey, it's up next, right? So now we set it to up next. So it's not just general topic. Now we set it to up next. So it's something we're gonna do. We can also change it to other status. So hey, it's already in progress. It's on hold. It's backlogged. You can change all that. Next thing we have is the option to add tags. So tags help you find something or give it a little more sense of what it's for. And also pin. You want to pin it on top so it looks good. Next thing we have are settings. So let's click on settings, and you got all these options right here. So are you gonna allow this? Remember, this is a public room. Are you gonna allow commenting, allow attachments, allow suggested topics, allow unlimited votes? This is not really suggested. It just depends what you want to do with it. Remember, we only want them to vote once, but if you open this, they can vote many times. So once you've selected what you want right here, maybe you don't want them to allow attachments. Well, you don't allow them. You remove that and you update public room. Once that's done, we have design. We have also the embed, but we're gonna wait and see that right now. We have the add users right here. So depending on what plan you chose, in this case, it's a 1 user plan, so you can't add more members. But if you had a plan with 5 members, well, you can add 5 right here. Next thing we have is the options. We can edit title and description. Remember we can change that after. Click on integrations. So you can add integrations. So vote on our first integration. They're coming soon, but hey, get on it and vote for your first integration to get updated right there. Next thing is labels, view public link, archive, and delete. So in this case, we're going to click on public link, and this would be how it would look to the public. So you can see we have logo, we have title. Maybe you want to make a little bit longer the title, depending. Remember the description is roadmap, updated September 1st, which is today. And this is a user. You can change the user picture. And you can see these buttons here and here are orange. Why are they orange? Because remember we selected in design over here. In design, we selected this. So orange. If your colors for logos were green, red, well, you change that and it makes more sense, right? So in this case, it's orange. And right here, you have, remember it says up next. So if I click on up next, you see this right here. Planned, well, there's nothing planned right now. If we selected a planned label, it would be there. So in queue would be everything. And as a user, they would be able to upvote. So in this case, they upvote. See how I can only vote once? So if I click on it again, it removes the vote. It doesn't add another one. So those changes the options. So that's what's pretty cool about it. And you can add your suggestions if you left them. They can click on it. They can comment. Remember, I removed the attachment. If I enable the attachment, you can add attachment right here. Also comment. So in this case, just say test. And there you go. It's commented. See how easy that is? So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty great option and a pretty simple way to get a process for a roadmap or whatever other use that you can think of with Treefort. So it's pretty cool that you guys grab this. It's in a great deal. I remind you, it starts off at $99. It's a lifetime deal. So that means you only pay once and you have it forever. That's pretty cool. Well, guys, if you want to grab this deal, the link is going to be in the description. Thank you for watching.